So, babe, I know you're driving. So, what do you think about the two festivals? I enjoyed the wine festival.
Wine festival by far was amazing. Why? Because first of all, I love wine.
Mm-hmm.
Second of all, they had a live band.
Yes.
Third of all, I had a nice buzz. Now, let's talk about the tequila and taco.
Tequila's something different.
Tequila is tequila. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Tequila.
Spit it out.
We didn't even get no tacos. We just had the tequila. We had too many shots of tequila. We had so many shots of tequila that we had to give tickets away so somebody else could drink the rest of our tequila.
The lady hooked us up.
The lady hooked us up because let me tell you, it's supposed to be
8 tickets.
8 tickets for $30. They gave us 16 tickets for $30. Now, we only gave away 5 tickets. That's it.
11
so we
shots
ate.
of tequila.
We drank how many?
11.
No.
Well,
no.
it was 13 because one dude didn't even take my ticket. So we had 13 shots of tequila on top of damn near 20 shots of wine. So now we're about to go to this bowling alley, see if we can bowl, but probably won't this Saturday night. So we'll go in there and play Keno, win a little money, and try to get my baby to the casino.
Yes. So thumbs up, y'all. Come on, say, come on, Steph, you got this. Thumbs up for Keno. Thumbs up for Stephanie going to the casino because Stephanie been trying to go to the casino for a very long time. Ooh, you can't see me.
Yeah. Oh, Darky. Ooh. There she is.
Hey.
But we'll hit y'all when we get to the bowling alley, I think.
Yes.
Is that where we're going?
Yes.
All right. Well, we're going to do a little more drinking. We're going to order a pizza or something there. We got to eat something. Yes. So, peace.
Peace, love, and hair grease, y'all.
He said all backwards.
Love, peace, and hair grease.
There you go.
So we made it to the third spot. We're at the bowling alley. We're playing Keno.
So what made you pick your 10 numbers?
I don't know. I was just thinking about my grandbaby and us and our parents and all that stuff. So that went in to play with my ticket.
On my ticket, I just selected one number out of each row.
Oh.
So
that was good.
We're about to go play.
I'm trying to win y'all thumbs up in the comments because I'm trying to go to the casino because if we hit big,
we're going home.
Thumbs up. I got faith.
All right, so after we play our numbers.
Oh. And just to let y'all know, so we started off with wine today. Then we went to tequila. Now we're on Long Island. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all soon.
We got a car like on a Night Rider. We got Kit. He's going to take us home tonight. So now we sitting here and she got her pick. Look at her.
I won 25 and I played it back. And we're going to hit.
And these Kenos.
We don't know yet.
Like this Keno, there's our numbers here. But we ain't hit shit yet. That's my ticket. Where your ticket at, Steph?
Right here.
Let me see. So this is Steph's ticket.
That's Steph's ticket. Oh, damn. I should have kept my $25.
Yeah, so we'll get back with y'all and let you know if we hit. She got to look at it. Oh, gambling at Oh,
I'm
so
happy.
Now we just switched to Long Island.
I told him. So I'm happy now. So gambling, we can sit here and play Keno. I can do my scratch off. I don't care.
Damn shame what they did to Tyrone. So how many numbers you get? 2? Shit. I ain't getting none.
On none of your cards?
None of them.
Okay, go turn them in. So we're going to turn them in and see how much I won. I'm just going to say y'all need to be...
I guess they ain't putting nothing in the comments, honey. Because you ain't hitting shit. Come on, y'all. She trying to go to the casino. Help the lady out. Because I damn sure ain't.
I'll take every move I make. Every single day. Every time I pray I miss you. Every single... Of her cherry chapstick, I kiss. Okay. Yes.
You kissed the girl you like it?
There it is. this out.
What'd you do, Steph? What'd you do?
I kissed the girl and I liked it. The taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed the girl just to try it. That's the wine, tequila, and Long Island. The girl and I liked it. The taste of her cherry chapstick. What we doing?
Okay, so we play Keno. We lost.
This is how we do it.
Calm down, killer. Trying to tell him we lost. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more tickets. And we're going to try. She over here
This
dancing.
is how we do
I'm trying to
it.
win some money. She over here dancing. But we'll get back with y'all and let you know if we win.
This is how we do it. It's Saturday night and I feel alright.
I bet you do.
The party's here at the bowling alley.
Here I am. Rocking like a hurricane. Rocking like a hurricane. Rocking like a hurricane. Here I am. Rocking like a hurricane. Like a hurricane. Throw it up, Steph. Throw it up one time. Throw it up. Rocking like a hurricane. Throw it up one time. Quit being like that.
But I don't.
Well, we ain't going to the casino until you throw it up. Throw it up if you want to go to the casino. One time. One time. One time.
That song's over. I was about to.
Well, I guess we was about to go. So what would you like to drink,
I'd
honey
like to
bunny?
have another Long Island. Can it be a little bit stronger?
You didn't get that on camera.
That wasn't strong enough for you?
It tastes a little bit watery. She did good though. Fix my shit the way I want it. All this money I'm paying, fix my shit. I want a strong Long Island. Fuck a weak ass Long Island.
Yeah, my wife is under the influence right now. She's feeling it. She's talking mad shit.
That's okay because I got a private jet that's gonna take us home.
Let me take a picture.
Can I get another one
Are we
too?
videoing?
Yeah, can I get another one too?
You want to
Long Island.
different cup or same cup?
You can use the same cup.
Kill that?
Oh, I'll kill it real quick. Hold on. Yeah, my baby feeling talking about a damn private jet.
Feel good. We gonna get this butt tonight.
Ain't take her ass nowhere.
We'll get this butt tonight.
No, it ain't gonna happen. When we get home, her ass gonna be asleep.
Yes, he is. He be hot playing.
Should be asleep when we get home.
Savage. Classy.
Thank you.
Ratchet. Hey, thank you. It's the first time, last time we ever met. But I know it's
Sing it, babe. But anyway,
Okay, here we go.
here we go. You ready?
You and me. I can feel it coming.
Everybody know that part. Everybody know that little part right there.
Hey, so we just left third spot. We're on to the fourth spot.
that motherfucker.
But it's a surprise because
But no, the bullshit is we won what, $15 off Keno. They ain't win shit.
16.
16?
2 7s and a 2.
Yeah, ain't that a bitch.
Mhm.
So we're off to the next spot, and we'll see y'all in what, about 2 minutes?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Deuces.
Deuces.